The Strawberry Hill. Pip the rabbit and Pebble the turtle are best friends. They live in a bright green meadow full of flowers. One morning, Pip points his long ears toward the sky. "Look, Pebble, look at the very top of that big hill. I see bright red strawberries." Pip is very fast. "I will be there in a blink," he cries. With a giant boing, 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 Pip zooms across the meadow. He hops over logs and zips past the butterflies, leaving a trail of dust behind him. Pebble is not fast. He moves with a quiet thump, pause, thump. He looks at the grass and the colorful stones near his feet. "I am coming, Pip," Pebble says softly. He takes one steady step after another. When Pip reaches the bottom of the big hill, he tries to rush up, but the grass is slippery and the dirt is loose. He hops once, twice, and then slides all the way back down. "Oh, Bubbles," Pip huffs. He sits down on the ground, feeling very tired. After a little while, Pebble catches up. He sees Pip looking sad. Pebble doesn't say, "I told you so." Instead, he smiles at his friend. "The hill is very big, Pip, but we can do it if we go slow together." Pebble starts to climb first. He does not try to hop or jump. He finds a solid rock and puts one foot on it. Then he finds another rock. He moves slowly, but he does not slide back down. Pip watches his friend. He stands up and shakes the dust off his tail. He tries to move just like Pebble. Instead of a giant leap, Pip takes a tiny hop. Then he takes a tiny step. "I am staying on the path," Pip cheers. The sun gets hot and the hill gets even steeper. Pip starts to feel shaky again. Pebble stops and waits. He reaches out a front leg to help Pip over a big prickly bush. "Just a few more steps, Pip," says Pebble. They are almost there. The top of the hill is just above them. Pip and Pebble move together, side by side. Pip moves a little slower for Pebble, and Pebble moves as steady as a clock. Together, they crest the final ridge. "We did it!" Pip shouts, hopping with joy. The top of the hill is covered in the biggest, sweetest strawberries they have ever seen. Pip and Pebble sit down to share a delicious snack. Helping a friend and staying steady made the berries taste even better.